Take a look at that. Well, maybe so, honey. But when I get you kids in, you can decide for yourselves if you want to stay. At least you'll have found out the difference between us and people like the Carlyles. Hobart, how much interest are you paying me on your oil leases? Birthday party, and you got yourself a griffin, and that's a promise. Well, if school teachers had looked like you when I was a boy, I'd have showed up once in a while. I'll throw in a lifetime supply of toothpaste. I doubt it. Depends on what the kids think of you. They're back on the play deck. Or any place. There's an unseen fence. The same fence that we've been banging into all around the country. No, we're going to bust through. I don't care as long as there's a fence there, we're going to bust through it. I guess we lost it. Operation Singe and Quincy. Singe and Quincy. What's all this jerking and jumping for? Back home when the Blackfoot Indians dance like that, they get rained. Right. Being that tomorrow's election day, I'm making a token gesture to let my son here know that I'm rooting for him. Each one of these packages here contains $100, and there are 278 of them. One for every kid in school. To give them as a present in exchange for their promise to this afternoon at the gala party. It was an attempt to make kids vote for you out of gratitude. Not me. Well, I'm amazed. You boys have seen me operate long enough to know that before I get into anything, I make sure I'm not getting in over my head. If I'm going to buy control of a company, I do a whole lot of research on the problems that company faces, and I give myself ideas of how to solve them. In other words, I make sure I'm qualified to lead. Are you qualified to lead? Have you been in school long enough to know what the problems are?
Hello, hello. Never fear, Crusader Robot is here. Up, 2, 3, 4, protecting people is what I'm... Uh-oh, my spring needs you know what.
You may not touch my friendly water boys. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.
Learning to fly. I want to be historic, like my ancestors. It's my destiny. Talk me into it. I'll be on television. What is? Wow! Don't show me. I want to be a...
Except that I was taking a nap in the dryer when this lady opened it for her laundry. You should have heard this scream when she saw me. Gee, baby, you and I could make beautiful music together.
Oh.
Let me take you away from all this madness. Come on, why fight it? Slip me a kiss. Oh, boy, she's weakening. Last time she hit me with her fist.
Hey, Chaz, wake up. We're here. You all right, Chaz? You mean you're gonna get a job, Chaz? Sure beats Syracuse, Chaz. When do we start? Oh, how delightful. How lucky we are. Gee, what do you suppose TC is doing with all those books? Golly, Chaz, you didn't tell me about this.